Now let's clean up an oil spill. Don't worry folks, it's canola oil, no extra PPE required. As with all spills, start with putting absorbent material around the spill to contain spreading, and then cover the top of the spill. Remember, the smaller the surface area of the spill, the easier it's going to be to clean up. After allowing the absorbent material to sit for 15 minutes, it's time to start the next phase of the cleanup. You can see here on broom cam, the stain from the oil is still visible and the surface of the floor will be slightly slippery. Pull fresh absorbent material onto the spill and work it into the spill with your broom or your boot. Depending on the product that has been spilled, it may not be advisable to use your boot to work the absorbent material into the spill. In those instances, you can continue to use the stiff bristled broom. Use the broom to pull fresh material on top of the spill, place the broom on top of the absorbent material, and use firm downward pressure as you move the broom back and forth. You're not just pushing the material across the top of the spill, you're working it into the concrete. All traces of the spill are now gone and the floor will be safe to walk on. Consult your waste disposal contractor for information on how to dispose of the spill material for your specific chemicals.
Okay, so you just want me to put down some of this oil, right?
Yeah, just get it down.
Just get it down? Okay,
Yep.
sure. Here we go. Like, how's that? Is that good?
Whoa,
Whoa.
not half of Alberta's production.
But you said, like, put it down.
Oh, you had one job.